Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, Sami and I are going to be sharing an inner thigh workout, sculpt Pilates style, so everything will be down on the mat. So let's get started. Come to the back of your mat, lay down flat, shoulders wide, hands into the ground. Put your heels together, toes apart. Now with all the motions you're doing, really squeeze those inner thighs and squeeze those glutes. So take a deep inhale, exhale, tilt the hip and roll up. Bring the hips up and hold. Rolling back down and back up 10 times. 9, 8, squeeze those glutes, squeeze those inner thighs. 7, we're using this as a little warm up for the legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, keep it slow, and 1, hold up and hold for 10 seconds. 10, 9, squeeze the legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and roll back down slowly. Bring your legs into a tabletop. Press your arms into the ground, chest open. Again, heels together, toes apart, like a little V. Now on the exhale, lift the legs down, tap the ground, come back up and keep this frog position for 10, 9, 8. The legs are on an angle here, externally rotated, so we've worked those inner thighs, outer thighs. 7, 6, pull the abdominals in, they're working as well. 5, 4, 3, keep breathing. 2, and 1. Come back to the tabletop, keep the frog position. Inhale, exhale, lengthen in a 45-degree angle, extend and come back. Keep your heels together, toes apart for 10, 9, and when you're in, squeeze those inner thighs together. 5, 4, 3, 2, pull the abs in, and 1. Come back to the tabletop and bring the legs down. Legs warm?
They're warm.
Okay, we're gonna move to the left side to a side series. Come to the back of your mat. Put your left arm underneath your head. Your right arm comes in front of you. It's gonna give you some light support. Make sure not to hang in there, but keep your chest open and pull the abdominals in. Now lift the right leg, bend it, put it in a 90-degree angle in front of you. So pull the abdominals in, take a deep inhale. Exhale, point your feet and lift up and down for 10, 9, really squeeze those legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and hold up here for 10, 9, pull the abs in, keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, really extend through the leg. 2, and 1. Little leg circles forward, little grapefruit size for 10, 9, squeeze those inner thighs, squeeze the glutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, keep it small. 3, 2, and 1, and reverse, circles back for 10, 9, extend through the leg, like you want to reach the other side of the room. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and lower down. Meet your right leg on top of the left one. Bring the legs forward, the other side of the mat. Now inhale, exhale, lift the leg up with the pointed feet. Exhale, come back down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 7, 6, pull the abs in, chest open, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heels together, toes apart. Lift the right leg, internal rotate, tap the toes, rotate back, tap the heels. For 10, extend through the legs, 8, 7, pull the abs in, squeeze those inner thighs, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the right leg up, bend it towards your elbow or your chest, extend it forward, and in a bicycle, come back. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heels together, toes apart, lift both legs up, lift the right leg and tap. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, feel the burn, we hear you, 2, and 1. Fast little taps, the only time you go fast. For 10, 9, 8, little tap, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side. Move back. Again, come on the back of side of the mat. Put your right arm underneath your head. Your left arm comes in front of you for some support. Extend the legs. Point the feet. Bend the left leg and put it in front of you. Now keep the chest open, pull the abs in, and keep breathing. Inhale and lift up. Really extend through the leg, point the toes, and really squeeze those inner thighs and lower down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze those inner thighs, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold up here. Squeeze and extend. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You guys are doing amazing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Little leg circles forward. 10, 9. Keep this very small. Chest open and keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And reverse. Little leg circles back. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the leg. Meet your left leg on top of your right leg. Pull the abs in. Move them a little forward so your toes are on the other side of the mat. Keep your arm in front of you. Now, inhale, the exhale, point and lift the leg up. Flex the feet and come down. Point it up, flex down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heels together, toes apart, Pilates feet. Lift the left leg up. Now internally rotate. Tap the toes and rotate over and back. This rotation is very important to really work those inner muscles, the glutes here. So tap and come back. For 7, 6, keep it slow. 5, 4, feel the burn. 3, 2, and 1. Meet your left leg in front of your right, maybe give a little stomp, and we're hopping into the next exercise. Inhale and exhale, lift both legs off the ground. Lift the left leg up and tap. Heels together, toes apart for 10. Pull the abs in. 9, 8, 7, keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Faster pace. 10, tap. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the left leg up. Bend the knee towards your chest or elbow. Extend to the front. Squeeze those legs, really lengthen. I don't want to hit Sammy. Move back and bicycle forward for 10. Working the abs, pull them in. Working the legs, glutes, inner thighs. Really squeeze each muscle. 6, 5, 4, 3, almost there. Last exercise. 2 and 1. Meet your left leg on top. Give it a little stomp. And we're ready for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's 10-minute inner thigh, outer thigh workout, all the small little motions. If you want to make this a little harder, you can use small ankle weights. Yeah, if you want to get more advanced.
Thanks for joining, guys.
See you guys soon.